Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to find the number of days in a month in Microsoft Excel. So get ready started. At first open your document. Firstly, then you show the month. Start is January to November. This month is the day format. Firstly, then we can see is click for the day of month columns select and for click then keyboard press from the equal and text from the day and keyboard press first bracket your month again first bracket 1 and select the January then comma and 0 then again double first bracket that's enter that's okay then January of the day is month 31 then select your all month option that's okay then you show the find the number of the days in month in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.